I just want to say thank you so much for scanning that QR code. That tells me that you're probably interested in selling your home, right? Now look, if you're interested in selling your home, you'll probably want to interview a bunch of agents, including myself, and let me tell you why. If you don't know who I am, my name's Chakits Krulsawat. I hang my license with Simply Vegas. I've been in the business now for about 16 years. I close over 100 million annually. We do about 130 transactions annually. Now, our company alone does about 2 billion in sales volume every single year. Why? Because we're the #1 brokerage. But what's most important here is it's all about how do we actually market your home. It's just like this video here. I was able to drive you to this video. You're watching this video right now, and I want to show you exactly how I can sell your home faster and for top dollar. Now, if you guys are interested, give me a call because I would like to set up an appointment for a free consultation. Let's take a look at your home. Let's see if we are the right fit. Other than that, can't wait to see you. All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another video home tour. Back out here in this beautiful master plan community of Skye Canyon. This is the last development out here in Skye Canyon. We've got about 450 homes. Now they're broken down to 3 separate communities. You're gonna have single stories here, 2 stories here. Then you're going to have some townhomes, and then you're going to have some single-family residents that share a driveway in a small little cul-de-sac. So this is Century Homes, and there are 3 different models. This is the largest model that they have. This model right here is the 2119 model. We've got 3 different elevations. We're gonna go take a look at this thing. Now this is a 2-story home. You have an option from like a 3 to a 5 bedroom, and an option for a 3.5 to 3 full bathrooms. All right, so this AC unit right here is a carrier AC unit. Now this thing is a 5-ton unit here. So every 400 square feet is for 1 ton. Now remember, this home is 2119. It's a little short, but it's not a big deal. Should be enough to carry. Also, the type of refrigerant on that unit is a R454B. So it's a new type of refrigerant that they have, and I think this is important that you guys need to be aware of because the R22 is now obsolete, but then they moved on to 410A. Then also they moved into R23. Now they have the R454B. So you just need to identify how many tons is the AC unit when you are looking at a new home build. Also the type of refrigerant, because the 3 refrigerants that I had mentioned to you, they all do have their pros and cons. Now, if you guys would like to know the difference, right, all you have to do is let me know, because I am about to complete my book, Builder versus Builder, and it's going to show you exactly all the materials and suppliers and the pros and cons. Let's start off here in the front. Just wanted to get you guys the lay of the land here. So we've got 9-foot ceilings. Then it's nice and vaulted here. Cool. So like I said, you have an option to 5 bedrooms here. So this is a den or bedroom, but this one is just a den. Now this builder is only doing spec home builds, which means they're picking out all the options and where the model or the floor plan will be located. So you can't come in here and pick out your options now, but they do have a color board palette that shows you all the items from options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. So this one has LVP flooring, 3 inches on the baseboards, 2-inch casings, 8-foot doors. Okay. So this one right here, as you can see, we have a powder bathroom. But on one of their specs on the options, this could be a bedroom. Your closet would go here. So how this would work here, 3/4 shower, this will get pushed out more. The closet gets shortened up. This door will go right here. Then along this wall, you will have your, what do you call, pedestal sink and your toilet, and then your shower would be on this side. I think for resale value purposes, it would be in your best interest to go ahead and, if you end up buying, make sure to get the one with the bedroom downstairs and bathroom, because it does go a long way. Here in the living area, we do have a nice 60-inch fireplace. However, this is a spec option. So if this is important to you, you need to make sure you have that option. Now let's take a look at the kitchen cabinet. We have 42 uppers with some quartz and a 2-inch front face here. These are not full overlay cabinets, but these are shaker cabinets. Let's open this thing up here. So the good news is it looks like we do have some dovetails. However, these are not soft closing. Okay, but you can change the mechanism on it, which is great. Here we have the cook countertop. Now some of the specs that they spec out, you may just have a push-in stove. I love the cook countertops. This is like that gourmet kitchen. Looks like we have Whirlpool appliances. Now with the Whirlpool appliance package here, this is not your standard. This is a little bit more of a higher tier. Let's see if this thing exhausts out. Yes, it does. Okay. We have the undermounted sink. And then our dishwasher. Washer and dryer are not included, in also the refrigerator. Now we couldn't go out to the garage, but I found out that it does come with a tankless water heater. Okay. Also, this is a dual zone AC unit too as well. The glass door here you're not going to get depending on the spec, but here's your pantry underneath the staircase. Looks like we have a pre-wire for the ceiling fan right above here, and then also pendant lighting. So this is an option. You just need to make sure it is within your spec. Now when I say that again with the spec, that doesn't mean you get to build this thing out. They're building it out and picking all the options for you. Some of these lot premiums will run you over $7,000, but this is definitely a large lot here with a view fencing. Definitely gorgeous day. As you can see how large this lot really is. Now this covered patio right here is also another option on the specs. If that's important to you, make sure to look out for the specs on the home. We've got irrigation system in the back. So this is probably a dual zone as well, one in the front and also one in the back. I mean, this is not that bad. Now there are HOAs here. So for this community, it's going to run you $110, and the master, which is Skye Canyon, is another $83, and these are quarterly payments, so every 3 months. So it's $120 a month. So it's really not that bad, because you do have the option for the clubhouse. If you guys haven't had a chance to check out the clubhouse, I do have a video on the clubhouse. It has a full gym and all that stuff, which is really cool. Here we have the loft, 2 more bedrooms, laundry room, and then the primary. Now one of the options that you can do here is turn this loft into a 5th bedroom. So you would have a wall and then a door and a closet. The problem with that is it makes this living area look very small and tight when you come up to the 2nd floor. So this is the spec I would do. with the exception to have bedroom, bathroom downstairs. Second floor, the ceilings are only 8 feet. Let's take a look at this bedroom. I mean, bedroom's pretty decent size. We do have the transfer grill on all the doors coming into the laundry room. We do have the drain pan, that's a plus. And one of the options are to add the upper cabinets. Let's see if we can take a look at the community here. Building a lot of homes up here. Our smart panel box coming into the bathroom. 36 inches on the vanity, which is a plus. We have a fiberglass tub for panel. Oh, it looks like it has Collier faucets. Oh, this is strange. Our attic access is right here. Very interesting. Ow, just scratched my watch. Dang it. I mean, the room's decent size. Did a walk-in closet in this one. Alright, let's go take a look at the primary. See what they got going on here. Also, these banisters may be pony walls. So on this one, we only have one light here. Pretty decent size. And there's your second thermostat. Let's take a look at this configuration for the bathroom here. This one has tile all the way to the top. Here's your water closet. And a walk-in closet. It's probably 8 by 10. Here, this is just kind of like dead space. But one of the options you can do is a tub and a shower. So how this would work, this wall would get removed. You would have your tub shower here, then this would go over here. The toilet would go on this side. So they kind of reconfigure everything. And I believe the door should slide out a little bit more. It's not bad. Now we're going to talk about pricing. Okay. They do have a base price, but that really doesn't matter because the base price, depending on the lot and the options they have picked as far as structural, and then your design options are going to be all different pricing. So give me a second here. I'm going to flip this camera around. And then I'm going to give my cheat sheet. I'll let you guys know exactly what's going on here. So for this model, which is the 2119, okay, the base price really starts off at $510,000. Now they have 3 models right now that will be released for sale. These are spec builds. We have one to be delivered in October, okay, and that is on home site 311, and it's the Tuscan Elevation. This one only has a 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, a den, and a loft, okay. Looks like it does come with quartz countertops, a 78-inch electric fireplace in the great room, okay. two-tone interior paint, upgraded kitchen. Okay, and that price is at $570,340. Now they have another home site, $299, okay, or $299. This one right here, same thing. It is 2,119 square feet, 4 bedrooms on this one, 3 full baths with the loft, 2-car garage, upgraded electrical options, white shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, upgraded kitchen appliances, two-tone paint, barbecue stub, box refrigerator cabinet. So this is going to be delivered in November. And now the price on here is $592,740. So as you can see, this one definitely has more of an upgrade, but also it costs more money, right, for the upgrades. So let me give you another one here. So we have another one to be ready and delivered in November again. That is home site 301. This one has 4 bedrooms, 3 bath, loft with a 2-car garage, upgraded electrical options, white cabinets, quartz countertops, upgraded in the kitchen appliances, two-tone paint, barbecue stub, box and refrigerator. Again, this one is at $570,690. This is almost the same as lot 299, but the question is, why is it $20,000 less? Well, probably because it could be of the lot premium, okay? And then if we take a look at the design options, it's probably going to be a little bit less. So that's probably what it is. Now, they do have some incentives right now going on, which is really cool. And right now, at the time I'm making this video, they are doing 6 basis points off of the base price. So basically you're getting 6% of the base price. So you're not going to get 6% off of the total price. Remember that. So if the base price is $510,000, you're going to get about $30,000. But what they're doing now is they're giving you the option on how do you want to spend the money. Do you want to use that money towards your buy down of your interest rate, or do you want to use that towards your closing costs? That's totally up to you, right? So I think that's kind of cool. A lot of builders are starting to do this now. So like, let me give you an example here. Now, if you decide that you want to take a total of 6% and you want to do your buy down, if you use their lender, and let's just say we're closing in October, they have pricing right now of interest rates at 5.5%, which is pretty good. However, the question is, do you use $30,000 to buy down your rate to 5.5, or do you use the $30,000 towards your closing costs? Then the remaining balance, you would apply that towards your buy down. It will be a case-by-case basis. And this is something that I've created and called the break-even point. And I can show you exactly how to calculate that through the mortgage hack book, right? And if you don't understand it, give me a call. I will explain it to you in detail. Now, if you don't have a real estate agent, I definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business, okay? Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed, folks.